Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is the Smash That Small Pad collaboration. This is with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube and Stampin' Cat on Instagram. The links will be in the description below. This month, my plan was to smash this Christmas Magic paper kit. This isn't a brand I've used before. It's made in the UK. I've been really enjoying the papers. They're wonderful. And the die cut topper design things they have in here are super thick. Like, not a chipboard, but really nice cardstock. I only made 12 cards. I haven't even used half my paper, but I have a really cool, legitimate excuse for it. So I'll tell you about that at the end. And if you watch my updates video, you might already know. I will continue smashing this and then you'll see it next month. I need way more cards, so I need to get to it. For these, I made the backs as I went because I'm putting a little snowflake on the back of each one instead of my logo. There were all these punch outs in this paper, and I might have a process video. I started filming bits, but I didn't want every card to look the same. So this one was a big square, and I cut it down and took out the winter wishes part, and then I had this snowman in my stash from Mary, and I really like this one and how it turned out. The insides are blank, but I'll put scraps on them later. Then I have these wood snowflakes, and I added some stars and holographic snowflakes. And then this one's the same thing, but see the way I trimmed it a different size and changed the corners and stuff. And it says warm winter wishes, and it has some stickles on it. Please excuse my scratchy voice. And I have a lot of Wink Stella on here too. You just probably can't quite see it. It's actually the Nuvo one, but similar product. Warm wishes is layered up. There's a layer of navy behind it. And then this is an actual layer here. And I really like these. And a bit of stickles and, you know, the Wink pen on there too. Really, really nice to have that sparkle. And these are stamps out of my stash because this guy didn't actually have a sentiment. So I added warm wishes. And on this one, I used winter wishes and put it as a little banner out the side. I really like that. It really makes him pop a little better, I think. So that one was fun. And then this one I didn't love this, but I tried to find like my smallest holiday stamp and I stuck it right between those trees. So I have warmest holiday wishes and then a bunch of sparkle on the trees. And then I centered it. I'm having a lot of trouble using this paper because I don't like to chop animals in half and stuff. Season's greetings. So the red on the blue. And here is a holographic stripe right here. It's actually a big section. It probably looks like one of those peel off stickers, but it's actually layered underneath it. I like this one too. It's really simple. I think what I'll probably do is look for a banner, not really this shape, but maybe something long and skinny where it's spelled out in 2 words and have a greeting down here. Then warm wishes. I had chopped something up that I didn't like and added scallops and was just playing. And I used foam mount because most of these cards are going to be hand delivered. So I can use wooden snowflakes, which sometimes break in the mail. I can use tons of foam mount. Season's greetings. I like this one. I was playing up the design and I experimented a little bit with die cutting some of the circle ones to shrink them down too. Like this one, they were all the same exact size, all this size. And that's actually a little big for my preference as a card maker. This one, I have a stitched die layer and then a ribbon across the front of it. And of course, sparkle on everything and winter wishes and sparkle on everything. So I really like these papers. They're a little tricky because they are those kind of papers where not everything in the pad goes together. They're not all mix and match like a lot of the easy Echo Park or Cartabella ones to work with, but really nice papers and the colors I love. You know, I love the reds and the blues. So I will keep making. I have a little stash down here of stuff to use and a big pile of stuff. I'm going to insert my new foster dog who might be a foster to adopt, also known as a foster failure. We'll see. I'll tell you more this weekend on how it's going. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Beth's video and go see Stampin' Cat on Instagram. Bye-bye.